Areta instant drug test cups detect metabolites for commonly abused drugs. They are CLIA waived for professional use, FDA 510K cleared for home use, and same science used as lab screening tests. Customers choose Areta because of its professional service, solid, quick, clear, and accurate results, and its user-friendly design. Our customers include rehab centers, pain clinics, physicians, staff agencies, and small businesses. Our tests detect the metabolites in the urine for specific substances. Each substance has a different cutoff level concentration. Areta drug test cups always include a temperature strip, making sure the sample is in the normal range of 90 to 100 degrees. Areta cups have a number of options. Pick the drug test cup that tests for the substances you want to test for. There's a selection of cups with panels ranging from 5 to our most comprehensive 14-panel cup. The cups come in an individual foiled pouch where the expiration date is found. Testing is very simple with only 3 steps. Remove the cup from the pouch. Open the cap and urinate directly in the cup. Make sure the sample is over the minimum urine line. Recap the cup. Make sure the outside of the cup is dry. Peel off the label and view results in exactly 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the results are invalid. The test window is found on the outside of the cup. Make sure the control line is present for each substance tested to ensure that your test is working properly. The drug name identifier is found on the colored tab. The control and test line will appear below this tab on the window outside of the cup. The control line is above the test line. That is, if a test line appears. Just a control line with no visible test line is a positive result, and just a test line with no control line present is an invalid result. If a test line is present, no matter how faint or thin the control line, the result is negative. Our customer service would be happy to assist you in choosing the product that suits you best from our expansive drug test cup line.